What? You went up there way too fast.
What's up?
You went up way too fast.
No kidding. I wasn't expecting to jump this.
I think we're starting to get traction.
Starting to?
Yeah.
I think so.
I think we're finally getting down to the bedrock. The helicopter.
No, it's not.
No, it's a white airplane.
God damn, I hate that. I don't like coming down it.
Get down to the clay.
We are getting down the shit, aren't we? You got me in the lip with the fucking rock.
So you know how it feels.
It's gonna be swollen.
This thing got screaming.
You fucking got me good in the lip. Hold on, Betsy. I need to get on you. Oh, that's not working.
Car just drove by.
Whoa. The bitch did a wheelie. Otherwise I would have